subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Vivo sub-brand iQOO has launched its new affordable 5G phone in China called iQOO Z7i. Now let's see the specifications of the smartphone.
The iQOO 7i features a 6.51-inch HD Plus display with a standard 60Hz refresh rate support, and it has a large 88.9% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by latest MediaTek Dimensity 6020 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4, 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the camera, the iQOO Z7i supports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses one 13MP main camera with f2.2 aperture, along with the 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 5MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f1.8 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 13 out of the box with Origin OS Ocean Skin on top. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 15W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164 by 75.6 by 8.15mm, and it weighs around 186 grams.
So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the smartphone.
The iQOO Z7i has been priced in China for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 949 Chinese yuan, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 999 Chinese yuan. And the higher variant with 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 1099 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Ice Lake Blue and Moon Shadow color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from March 20th.
So what do you guys think of this iQOO Z7i smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.